जबरी नाते तोड़ दो, जबरी नाते तोड़ दो।
In the scorching heat of Islamabad, Pakistan's capital city, Razia Sultana protests for her father's release from India's Tihar jail.
उस पार भी लेंगे, we want.
Yasin Malik, a Kashmiri freedom fighter and leader of the Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, has been languishing in prison since February 2019, and now a Delhi court has ordered framing of charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA) in a case related to alleged terrorism and secessionist activities that disturbed the Kashmir Valley in 2017. UAPA is widely regarded as a draconian law by civil society activists and legal experts, as well as international rights bodies. In 2020, United Nations Special Rapporteur stated that the provisions contained in the Act contravene several articles of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Convent on Civil and Political Rights. In Yasin Malik's case, the Delhi courts also ordered framing of charges against Kashmiri leaders like Lashkar-e-Taiba founder Hafiz Saeed, Hizbul Mujahideen chief Syed Salahuddin, as well as Kashmiri separatist leaders including Shabbir Shah, Masarat Alam, among others, under various sections of the stringent UAPA and Indian Penal Code, including criminal conspiracy, waging war against the country, and unlawful activities and terrorism in a case pertaining to secessionist activities that disturbed Jammu and Kashmir. Special Judge Parveen Singh, after discussion of evidence, said,
Prima facie, it is established that Shabbir Shah, Yasin Malik, Rashid Engineer, Altaf Fantoosh, Musarrat and Hurriyat Joint Resistance Leadership were the direct recipients of terror funds. So far, from the statements of witnesses, a pattern is emerging. Pakistan or its agencies and accused share a common goal, and there is an agreement on the means to be used for achieving that goal. And the terror funding is also being provided from Pakistan.
But Yasin Malik's wife, Mushaal Malik, says the charges have been trumped up to incarcerate the Kashmiri leader and quash his struggle for rights of the Kashmiri people. A verdict by the court is expected tomorrow, which would give Yasin Malik a life sentence.
अच्छा यही है कि मीडिया ट्रायल चल रहा है कि उनको फांसी दे दी जाएगी। कोर्ट्स के अंदर भी उनको एक सबसे बड़े जो पुरअमन रहनुमा है कश्मीर की तहरीक के, उनको दहशतगर्दी के साथ पूरी तहरीक पुरअमन तहरीक को जोड़ा जा रहा है, और उसके अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा जो टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है, अजियत दी जा रही है वो यासीन साहब को।
Here in Pakistan, the Kashmiri leader finds pockets of support, but Razia Sultana and her mother fear it won't be enough to free Yasin Malik from legal proceedings initiated by the Modi government that are now widely being seen as unjust. Asra Haq with Muniza Jahangir in Islamabad.